And we are back for one more video. So last time we completed episode number 133 and 134, and in those episodes finally the 23rd World Martial Art Tournament was started, and the end of that video was very unexpected. It was not much, I mean, it can be, it could be, I want to say the word heartbreaking. So it was a bit heartbreaking because Chao Tzu lost, but it was not that heartbreaking when Krillin actually died. We don't know yet if Chao Tzu died or not because we didn't get the confirmation. His eyes are blank, so I don't know if I should consider him dead or knocked down, because when the people get knocked down, that's when their eyes are shown blank, but in some cases even after they are dead. So I need the confirmation. I haven't got any confirmation if Chao Tzu is dead or not. And but if he is dead, then mercenary Tao would just be disqualified because nobody can kill. So I guess that he is knocked down, because if mercenary Tao wants to fight Goku, he needs to stay in that tournament, and he can't kill anybody. Only in the last he will kill Goku. That's what I think. Then if he comes in the last, then who is going to, no, Piccolo should come in, because Piccolo is the main villain of this arc. Why is mercenary Tao even here? We already got one villain. Why another? Because mercenary Tao, I don't think that mercenary Tao should be considered as secondary villain, because he also got upgraded. So he should be also a main villain. Why are there two main villains in a single arc? Because let me first tell you what I think is going to happen. So first, when Piccolo was the main villain, the only villain in this arc, I was considering who is going to match whom and who is going to defeat, because in the final fight Goku is going to defeat Piccolo, that we all know. If Goku is, we don't know for sure if Goku is going to defeat Piccolo, but he is the only one eligible to defeat Piccolo amongst the people that we have, till now, our friends that have participated. So we already got 8 candidates with Chao Tzu and everybody, but then Chao Tzu was defeated by mercenary Tao, and mercenary Tao entered. So only one of them is going to be the final, or maybe the twist, the turn, and something happens, and the final fight is between mercenary Tao and Piccolo. Just imagine that. Mercenary Tao versus Piccolo. Final match. None of our heroes are alive. Yamcha defeated, Tien defeated, Chao Tzu. Chao Tzu is already gone. Krillin defeated. What? Chi Chi is defeated. And Yajirobe defeated. And Goku also defeated. Only 2 villains are alive. I mean, in the match in final. Imagine that. So yeah, let's come back to the. I think that still Piccolo is much greater threat than mercenary Tao. So Piccolo is going to be the final. Piccolo is going to reach in the finals, and let me just tell that what I think, how the placements are going to be. So Piccolo versus Goku would be the final. That's why Goku needs to win in the previous semi-finals. So at that time, Goku is going to face Mercenary Tao. That's what I think. Goku is going to face Mercenary Tao, and Piccolo is going to face Tien, because Tien also wants his revenge. Tien was defeated very badly. So Tien wants his revenge with Piccolo. That's why he is going to fight Piccolo, and Piccolo is going to defeat him again, and then Goku is going to defeat Mercenary Tao, and that and then in the quarter final. So for semi final we need to keep Tien, Piccolo, Goku and Mercenary Tao alive. So Krillin, Yamcha, Chi Chi and Yajirobe, all 4 are going to be defeated. Krillin is, I think, going to be defeated. I don't know whom Krillin is going to be. Yamcha will be defeated by Piccolo in the first round, in quarter final round. I know. And Goku is going to defeat maybe Chi-Chi or Krillin, one of them definitely. And who is Yajirobe? Yeah, Yajirobe. I don't think that Yajirobe is going to fight Goku. I think Yajirobe might fight TN, Yajirobe and TN in the first round, but that makes no sense. Why would he? So yeah, that's the matchup that I think is going to happen, because the four that need to stay alive in the semi-finals are them: TN, Piccolo, Goku, and Mother Narita, and then final between Goku and Piccolo. So enough talking. 6 minutes have already passed. So yeah, let's hop into the episode. Episode number 134 and 135 and 136. We are going to watch today. So let's start with 135 and see who gets selected, because I think that in 135 we are going to know the 8 candidates that are going to get selected. So let's hop into the episode number 135. Let's go.
Out of bounds. Number 2 proceeds to the semifinals.
Hey, Goku got selected.
Thank you.
He'll go all the way to the finals.
Maybe father. Remember last time he won second place.
Ian selected.
35 goes on to the semifinals.
Krillin selected.
Proceeds to the
Hey, Yamcha selected.
Number 22 goes to the semifinals.
Piccolo selected. Just throw him outside. You don't have to.
Let go of your opponent.
Why won't he?
44 goes on to the semifinals. Be on your guard. I think he's serious about destroying us.
JJ selected.
More, please. Number 59 proceeds to the semifinals.
Bro is taking a beating from a girl.
Than Launch. Now that I think
Of
about
course.
it, maybe I have seen her somewhere before.
Where?
There's still 2 more to be selected. I wonder who they'll be.
Yeah.
I'm not worried.
Yajirobe.
Oh, it's a nice mask you got there.
Thank you. And why does he have only the
Yeah.
mustache
This is gonna
like
be
that?
painful to watch.
Is he strong?
You asked for it, old timer.
Yajirobe selected. Eh? 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 Eh?
Knockout number 7
Ah!
proceeds to the semifinals.
Abe!
This guy's gonna turn the fight into a comedy.
Eh? Don't tell me he is going to defeat
All
Piccolo.
of the semifinalists, please come forward at this time.
Is he going to defeat Piccolo? What is his power? Good luck! Because that's what I think.
Preparing for the next round.
Yajirobe was defeated by good luck.
But now, Yajirobe defeated by Nerd.
As before, only
I'm glad I was wearing a mask. No one is that clumsy. Who is number 70?
Please, as a
Yeah, who is he?
costumes before you enter the ring. Now, if there are no further questions, you may all draw lots.
And why does he have a mustache?
Hello again. Nice mustache.
Abe! He saw him die.
It's impossible!
Yeah.
I saw you die! Oh, please spare me afterwards.
Oh, stop it. I'm not a ghost. I just came back to life again.
Bro doesn't know that can happen in his own universe.
With the drawing completed, it was time for the semi-final matches of the 23rd World Martial Arts Tournament to
So
begin.
now Yajirobe is not going to face
Such a
anybody.
diverse or opposing group of warriors entered the ring.
Manjurori?
Excuse me,
What was
but,
that name?
Who's Junior?
He
Oh.
would be known as Junior.
So his name is Junior.
You call him Junior?
Yamcha and Shane. Oh! Yamcha and Shane are fighting.
The first match will be
Tao
Mercenary
and-
Tao versus Tien Shinhan.
Huh? Then
The second
why
match
did I
will be
read
Goku
Shane?
versus Anonymous.
Huh? Anonymous?
The third match will be Junior
He
versus
didn't
Krillin.
tell the name.
And the fourth match will be Hero versus Yamcha.
Hero versus Hero. His name is Hero. Huh? Okay.
The matches will begin shortly. At this time, all participants are requested to gather at the main stage.
Let's go.
Finally,
I have to talk something. We will talk it between the intermission between the episodes.
Good luck. I'll be
I have
watching
so
your
much
fights.
to talk.
I can't wait to see how much you've all improved. But don't push yourselves too hard. You must know when to cut back.
okay.
Yamcha, Krillin, Goku. Good luck, you guys.
Thank you, thank you.
Thanks.
There go the finest pupils a master could ever have.
They are not dying. Why are you saying that like that? There goes the finest people, some master
There's so many
today.
people jammed in here, you can't even see the stage.
Any ideas?
I don't have a clue. The
I
answer's
thought-
right under your nose.
Eh? Oh!
Now, what could you do with those?
Control.
You know the drill.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your patience.
No problem. Why does he have a mustache? He looks weird.
Tournament.
I don't want to see him with a mustache. Please take it off.
Who needs tickets when you got launch?
Your cheers validate the excitement surrounding us today. Yet this is only a part of the incredible journey the fighters have endured to compete in this tournament. The preliminary round began with 72 skilled participants, which were reduced down to 8. Those few fighters that remained are truly the mightiest group of athletes in the world.
Okay.
And they are here to entertain you, the loyal fans. Who will become our new champion? The first match will be Mercenary Tao versus Tien Shinhan, who may now enter the ring.
Every match is going to be very
Great circuits, Tien.
high level. I mean, not easily won, unlike the ones in the previous. I mean, not all of them did, but
Relax. Enjoy yourself, Tien Shinhan. I won't kill you in this match, only wound you. I'll take care
yeah,
of
I
you
really
and
didn't
Goku.
want
I've won
Tien
the
and
championship. For now,
him
enjoy
to
the
face
fun
off right
simulation.
in the first match. I thought that they were going to do it in the semi-finals, but yeah, fine, whatever.
That's not fair.
Get him, Tien. No mercy. You have to win the championship again.
The lover girl.
Okay, ready? Let the match begin.
Let the match begin. Let's go. So I had a feeling that the 8 that are going to be selected would be shown in this episode. So I already told what I thought that who is going to match whom. But Yajirobe got defeated by a hero. His name is Hero. He's just lucky, nothing else. And I really think now that he is going to defeat Piccolo. That's what I think now. Because every time in every match Goku is losing. First he lost to Master Roshi, I mean Jackie Chun, and then he lost to Tien Shinhan. Now he is going to lose to Hero. I can say that. So let me now revise my matchup. Who is going to win and who is going to lose? So first match it is going to be between Tien and what was his name? Tien and Mercenary Tao. I am calling him Tao. Mercenary Tao is too long to call. So Tien versus Tao. Second match is Goku versus Chi-Chi. I already said that either it is going to be Chi-Chi or Krillin, but yeah, Chi-Chi is a better choice than Krillin because she wants to take her revenge because he forgot her. She wants to beat the shit out of Goku. So Chi-Chi versus Goku is the second match. Then if Tien or Mercenary Tao, one of them wins, then they are going to face off with Goku. So nice. And then there is the matchup between Krillin and Piccolo, and then Hero versus who is Yamcha. Yeah, Yamcha. So Yamcha is going to lose again in the first match itself. He has been losing in the first match since the beginning. Even in 21st, he lost the first match. In 22nd, he lost. In the 21st, he lost the first match to Master Roshi. In 22nd, he lost the first match to Tien, and now he is going to lose the first match to Hero. He is not even the villain of this. He is not even the villain of this arc, and he is going to lose the first match to him. So yeah, because in the first 21st tournament we can say that yeah, sure, he was going to lose because it was Master Roshi, and in the second he was going to lose because he fought the final villain of the arc, and only Hero can defeat the final villain. So of course he was going to lose. But now he is not even fighting a villain, and neither the main hero. If he fought Goku or Tien or Piccolo or Tao, any four of them, I would have considered him that he lost. But he is not fighting any four of them, and he is going to lose to some person with who is just lucky. So yeah, so the third match is between Krillin and Piccolo, and I think Piccolo is, I don't even think about that. Piccolo is going to win again. I don't know if Krillin can. Yeah, that might give Krillin the flashbacks, that his dying flashbacks, the fight between Krillin and Piccolo. Yeah, that might happen. And then in the fourth match between Hero and Yamcha, Hero is going to win because he is lucky, and Yamcha is going to lose. So the semi-finals would be, I still don't know who, Tien or Tao, because both of them have the same chances of winning. But I still think that Tao is going to win. But yeah, Tao has more chances to win because yeah, I am not giving the explanation. I have the feeling that Tao is going to win. But I really want Tien to win, but I have a feeling that Tao is going to win. So first match Tao, and then so in the semi-final, the first match would be Tao versus Goku, because Goku is going to win, not Chi-Chi. Tao versus Goku, and then, or maybe Chi-Chi is going to defeat Goku. Because in every anime, the women are more powerful than men. Even in Naruto, his wife is more powerful than him. So maybe Chi-Chi defeats. No, but then. No. Wait. No. Piccolo needs to be in the final. Because look at me. If Chi-Chi wins, if Goku gets defeated by Chi-Chi, what will happen? So in the first match, it would be Tao versus Chi-Chi in the semi-finals, and then later it would be Piccolo versus Hero. And Hero, by some good luck, Hero would win, and Piccolo would lose, and then here Tao would win and Chi-Chi would lose, and then it will be Hero versus Tao, and Hero would again win. But that might happen. But Hero is going to face Piccolo in semi-finals. Do I really think that his good luck would be used against Piccolo? His good luck might work against Piccolo. We would only know that after watching their match. So yeah, I really think so. If Chi-Chi does not win, let's do that. So first Tao versus Goku, that would be the match in semi-finals, because I really think that Tao is going to win. Tao versus Goku, and then Piccolo versus Hero. And I don't think that Hero is going to win, but if Hero won, then Goku versus Hero would be. And yeah. That's what I wanted to say. So Goku was second in the first match. Master Roshi won. Goku was second in the second match. TN won. So this time Hero is going to defeat Piccolo. Goku is going to defeat Tao, and then the final match would be Hero and Goku, and again Hero is going to defeat Goku. So that's what I said. Hero is going to defeat Goku. Oh, so Piccolo is going to be defeated by just good luck. Goku won't be even fighting him. Just imagine the embarrassment that he is going to face. He was here to become a great villain, and he just got defeated by good luck. Some nerd. That would be very bad for him. So yeah, let's get back into the episode now. I think that Hero is going to be the main winner and Goku will be the second this time, because every time Goku needs to be the second, I guess, because that's what has been happening all this time. So that's why Hero was introduced, because if Yajirobe was introduced, then Goku would have been the first, because Yajirobe is not that strong. And Piccolo and Tao both needs to get defeated. So somebody needs to be the winner, and it can't be Goku, because it's the tradition that Goku can't be the main winner of a tournament. He needs to be the second, so that he can increase his power more. So he can't be the first winner of the tournament. And that's why I think that Hero is introduced. So let's see what happens now. We know that Tao is going to win in this match, Tao versus TN. So let's get into the episode number 136. Let's go.
Doesn't a fight require movement?
They're like statues.
It's been 10 minutes.
Huh?
Tien can't move.
Huh?
It's Tao who can't move.
Huh?
Well, folks, this fight may have just started, but we're
What?
already witnessing a stalemate. Neither participant has moved a muscle since this match began.
Remarkable. Tien has a perfect defense.
Oh.
I
I
can't
thought
find a vulnerable spot on his
Goku
entire
was-
body.
just being friendly.
My brother was a little too thorough with your training. This is going to be harder than I thought.
Your brother didn't train him this time.
Will one of you please throw a punch before we all fall asleep?
Are they going to start fighting or not? Yeah. TN is going to win. Oh shit. He got distracted. Oh. Oh shit. TN is really... Yeah, I think now that TN is going to win. Yep, TN is going to win.
The minute they moved, Tien Shinhan dealt his opponent a crushing blow. Amazing!
Seeing as how you've grown up, I no longer have to hold back. Prepare for pain.
Where is the pain? Yeah, I am convinced that TN is going to win now. TN is going to win. Why is Tao so powerless?
Wait a minute. There's something I need to say.
What? What do you need to say?
It's too late to beg for mercy, weakling.
I'll forgive what
You are
did
the
to
one
Jiangsu.
that taking the beating.
Stop this madness. You fool.
What did he?
Don't talk as
Okay,
if you're in
that-
control of this situation. You're just scared.
You're mistaken. I'm grown much stronger than you realize.
Don't talk behind my back, coward. You think you're stronger than me?
Yeah.
I'll enjoy taking you down, Tien.
Even I think that now.
I didn't ask for any of this. I take little pleasure in fighting you.
No!
Okay, goodbye Tao. Oh, he was putting 3 fingers in his 3 eyes.
Try to understand. What I say to you is out of concern, not disrespect.
Tao is just like a joke now.
Grateful for your guidance.
I thought he was going to be a bit
Some
serious.
disgrace. Leave the ring now.
I'll rip your eyes out!
We'll do this the
Why?
hard way. Move.
This is a surprise!
No. Why?
Tien Shinhan
It-
is attempting to escort his opponent out of the ring!
That's new.
It is. It. Why does? Oh. Can we get a bit serious now? Yeah, that's what I said. Because he was like a joke.
Possession of a knife by mercenary Tao! Tournament rules prohibit use
Yeah.
of weapons in the ring! Tao is
Oh.
disqualified! The winner by default is Tien Shinhan!
Now be quiet! I don't care about your match! As long as I can kill Tien Shinhan, you are defeated! Just admit it!
You are the one that is defeated. You are the one that can't lay a single finger on him. How is he the one that is defeated?
What respect I had for you is now turned to pity. You have
Yeah.
no honor.
You're mistaken. I have plenty of honor. The honor of killing you. That's it. Keep your silence. My blade will
I
finish
have
this
plenty of honor, the honor of killing you. That's some Bollywood level
Match is
dialogue.
over! You're not allowed to kill each other in the ring!
Just get out or you will get killed.
You're next.
Yeah, kill him, kill him.
I'd be happy to lend a hand.
We can take them together, Tien!
No need.
No, stay where you are.
Yeah, TN
I'll
is
take care of
powerful.
this.
Enough. Kadang! Yeah. Now it's better for you to just leave this planet, leave this universe and go somewhere else. You have suffered enough humiliation, I
Really
think.
I'd be so easily defeated?
Yeah,
Admit it, Tao. This fight is over.
he has something else. Missile?
I've been dying to use this one all day.
Oh, cannon.
Introducing
Canon.
The Super Dodon Ray!
Oh!
Super Dodon Ray!
Sure, there might be some scratches, but there are not even some scratches. What? No! That's how should I believe that? At least his wound that he gave him, that should be a bit bigger. There is not even little bit of scratches with the big Dodon Ray.
I had you in my sights! There's no way you could have escaped
How?
doom! The Ray was
No.
flawless!
Bye bye Tao. And the winner is Tien Shinhan. Yo.
Excellent job, Tien.
It's all right, folks. You can breathe again. Woo! What a wild
I really
day.
thought
Just the kind of
that
intensity
Tao
you've come
became
to
much
expect
stronger
right here
after
at the
doing
World
all that
Martial Arts
machines
Tournament.
in that
Again,
body.
Since Mercenary Tao used a weapon,
But-
he has lost the
Yeah, I forgot about that. Weapons are not
Tien
used,
Shinhan wins
so
the
he
match and
wouldn't
will go
have
on to compete in the
couldn't have used his
semifinals.
body because they were all machines. His body was mechanical. Why even allow a cyborg to participate in the tournament? That should just disqualify
Tien Shinhan performed as well
a
as I
cyborg.
expected. He finished Mercenary Tao with just one punch.
And Goku is going to fight him next.
He'll be asleep like this for a few days. Please take him home and never show yourselves around me again. Thank you, Master.
You traitor! You will not die peacefully, I assure you of that!
It's you who won't die peacefully, old Crane.
You were great.
Thanks.
Bye
The way
bye.
you handled the Super Dodon Ray was amazing. I was really impressed.
That's enough.
He needs to take a break.
He needs to be left alone. Strong guy.
Fighting Tien won't be easy. Now it's my turn. I can't wait.
Goku versus Chi Chi.
Better stretch.
Let's see what is going to happen.
Fighting a pretty girl. I'm in Hello.
It's time to turn our focus to the second match in this exciting tournament. Goku, who nearly won the last championship, will go up against a female warrior whose name is being withheld by request. This
So
one
Goku is
will
going to
win
defeat a
in
woman?
preliminaries. She can hold her own against the boys.
Is Goku going to defeat a woman in front of everybody?
To accommodate the young lady's unusual request, we will refer to her as Anonymous throughout this match.
She doesn't want to tell her name.
It seems like you're always angry about something.
There's a lot to be angry about when I see you.
This match is going to be fire. Oh, they are showing it in this episode. I thought they would show it in the next one. They would at least take one whole episode for their match. Why are they showing it in half episode? Just end the episode right here and do the match in the next.
As the tournament continues,
Okay, the episode ended. That's what I was thinking. Why would they show the match in
what
this
has Goku done
episode?
to make her so upset?
Yeah.
Find out when we return
In the
for
next
the next
episode.
chapter in this exciting tournament.
Next
Only
chapter.
on Dragon Ball.
So we have completed episode number 134 and 135, sorry, 135 and 136 of Dragon Ball. And I was not expecting Tao to be this weak. He was so, because I thought that he had some cyborg implant, so at least he could have been a bit powerful, but I forgot that he won't be able to use his cyborg things, his metallic things, because the outside weapons are not allowed. Only it is a martial art tournament, so only hands and legs and heads and chest and all that. So he wouldn't be able to use any cyborg implants. So that's why, yeah, that I did not think much about the match. I did not think much about Tao. That's why my guess was wrong. But if I really thought about that, I would have thought that TN would win. But yeah, my guess was wrong. TN won. And now TN is going to fight Goku in the second match. Wait, is my guess going to be wrong in this match too? Is TN going to fight Chi-Chi in the semi-finals? Is Chi-Chi going to win against Goku? Let's see what's going to happen in the next video. Is Goku going to win or is Chi-Chi going to win? Because this tournament is going to be unexpected. Every match is going to be unexpected. Only the one that will go expected would be Piccolo versus Krillin. That we know that Piccolo is going to win because Krillin is no match for Piccolo. So we can't even decide Hero versus Piccolo because Hero has the luck with him and Piccolo has the power. So who is going to win, luck or power? That is also very I don't have a word to describe that. So if we don't know that is Chi-Chi going to win or Goku, we don't know that if Piccolo is going to win or Hero in the semi-finals, and we don't know that if, yeah, whatever, just let's just meet in the next video and see what happens in the tournament further ahead. Let's meet in the next video, and until then, enjoy. Bye bye.